Okay, we're going to hopefully have 30 seconds of just installing the bar end mirrors on each side of this to complete the functionality, because at the moment it runs great, but I can't see behind me. So I picked up these bar end mirrors here. They were off of Amazon for I think 13, 14 quid, so we'll get them fitted and hopefully we'll go for a nice ride. Alright, first job. Find the right Allen key and get the sizing right. Coincidentally, I've actually just managed to find it first time. So these ones do come with an adjuster, which just throws part of it on the floor. So I actually don't need the thicker parts, so that doesn't quite go in. I just need the thinner parts. So what I'll do now is just get that started and get that into position. Needs to be a little bit more started than that. Get it to bite. Is it there yet? There we go, I think it's there. Right. First job, get it into secure so it's not going to come out. Then let's get her into position so I can see what's going on behind me. Go like that. No, I need a smaller Allen. Smaller Allen. There we go. This is just to clamp the mirror roughly in place. This clamps the rotation. Nice shoe behind me. Sorry, I can now see behind me, and with my filtering, fold it in. Just got to do the other side. It should be exactly the same process. So I shall come back once that's all fitted and show you the whole look. Okay, this is the whole job afterwards. You can see it comes round, nice and clean, and on the other side, and they just fold in here. Like so, really nice and easy to use. And then from the cockpit you can see this, and again, nice easy tap in to move.